pain follow me. Deal with trauma privately. I don't want to be a burden. I handle things defiantly.
Because it was really hard.
That's foul.
What in the heck is this?
Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been like years, but I'm back and we are going to be doing a spend the weekend with me kind of vibes. So the to-do list is we need to fill up the petrol, groceries, a little bit of makeup shopping, pick up my husband, come home, unpack the groceries. What are my plans? Yeah, I think that's all I can say for now. So let us go. I don't know if they can hear me. So in my family, we have this thing where each and every one of us gets like 4 or 3 noodles. But sometimes Linda just goes through the most, and normally she's the one to first finish her noodles in like a space of a week, and then she'll be begging us for the whole month. Oh guys, oh my gosh, I ate mine. So now, how many noodles do you want? 4. It's been such a while. Should we grab it? I'm never gonna say no. Who put the chicken here? That's so wrong. Okay, so groceries done. Just looking for money so I can tip the guy who helped us unpack the groceries and pack them in the car. Do you guys tip? If you like, how much do you tip people? Like, do you like give them 10 rand? Like, I really rush in South Africa, so I don't give like 10 rand. Yeah, so right now we are on our way to go pick up my husband. We will probably stop at a Clicks in Sandton City because we are quite early. So, oh, thank you. Thank you. Yeah, what time is it? It is, I think we must just go to Sandton City. It's 15:52. Yeah, let's see. I don't know, I'm lying. I think we might not make it. Thank you. A staple. Always, I love these protein bars. They're so cute. Please put on the GPS for Sandton. Gotcha. Okay, let's go. Off we go. Say bye, Meme. Say bye. No, it's fine. You just reach in and then close the fridge again. Yo! Load shedding. Load shedding. It's a content. Lola. Hey. I think she's upset. Lola. Come. Give me a kissy. Come, monkey. Come, monkey. Okay. Good morning, everybody. So, happy Sunday. I wanted to have a quick chat, so I should have brought my tripod for this part of the video, but I didn't. Anyway, bear with me. So this morning, I just came to a realization that I really am just hiding my natural hair, and I just had a quick chat with my little sister, and I was like, did you ever go through a phase where you just hid your natural hair because you were maybe embarrassed, or you just couldn't accept the length or how it looked like, and you just don't know what to do with it? Because I'm going through that. And she was like, yep, I went through that, and I used to basically just wear a lot of dukes. So what I'm doing is I'm hiding under braids. So I've been braiding my hair since I've decided that, you know what, I don't know how to take care of relaxed hair. So I was just like, okay, cool, let's just, I guess, braid my hair. So I braided my hair, and that's what I've been doing. And the problem now is I'm due to undo my hair. You guys can barely see my lines anymore, but I have braids on, and my hair lady, the lady I do my hair at, has been booked and busy. So I have decided that I'm gonna stay like this with probably, I would consider, untidy and dirty cornrows, because this is what it is, just like a straight back, until she's available, because I just don't see myself even looking at myself and my short hair and accepting that reality. That's just not something I'm comfortable with sitting with and accepting. And clearly that's something I have to work on and figure out and try to find a solution regarding that, because that cannot be healthy. And that's probably based on a lot of things, like, you know, yeah, but we're not going to get into that. So let me know if you have been through that phase before, because that's what I'm currently on. And maybe if you can leave like any words of encouragement, I guess, to try to help me accept my reality a little bit better. I don't know, but anyway, so we are going to, I'm waiting for Linda to get ready. So yesterday we were supposed to go to Sandton City, and because she's never been, and shop there, but we didn't get the opportunity to do that. So today we're just gonna go to our local Clicks and shop from there. And there's a few spots that we want to check out. There's a shop that replaced Cotton On, so we want to go see that. And then we're gonna do a little of makeup shopping, and then yeah, that's like about it. Don't want to chat too much, so I'll meet you guys on the road while we are going there. Okay, bye.
Where's the entrance from here?
Over there. Just walk straight. Come, follow me. Follow me.
Okay.
I'll show you the way to the oasis.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you do an OOTD?
What's an OOTD? What are we wearing today? We're wearing white Vans. We've got the purple skirty.
Yeah.
Little cute white top. Yeah, just keeping it simple, you guys. Which one?
I want black.
Guess where we are?
Back in the parking lot because I forgot my purse.
Which had what?
My Clicks card.
Wow. Furniture shopping. Or whatever.
We are not finished.
Or whatever.
That was so extreme. Like, I am tired. Why did we go to the mall and come out like we just didn't work out? I don't know. But anyway, we have gotten what we needed to get. So now we are on our way home. I need a nap. I need food. Okay, guys, I have lost my connector to my tripod, so we in the bathroom. If it's echoing, sorry, maybe let me open here a bit so it doesn't echo too much. But I have washed my hair. Give me a moment. I'm going to show you the products that I have used this morning. So I've already shampooed my hair, and I used the Perfect Hair. I've used this before. I've reviewed it. If you want to see my thoughts on it, go there. I don't think it would have changed anything. This is definitely a silky shampoo. It will leave your hair with like that kind of silicone finish line, but it almost feels like, you know, when you use a shampoo that's a cleanser, it has that finish kind of vibes. Also, I feel like my lips are really dry. One moment. There we go. Then secondly, I have put the Afro Botanics. I believe I have also reviewed this before in the past. This is their African Triple Butter. Yes, I have reviewed this. The African Triple Butter Deep Penetrating Moisturizing Conditioner with baobab oil, amarula, and moringa oil. Yeah, so it's been in my hair for about 15 minutes. So I'm gonna start detangling, and this is the first time you guys are going to be seeing my hair. I want everybody to know that I'm feeling very vulnerable right now. You know how some people like, like feel weird when they're about to take off their clothes and become naked in front of people. That's how I feel right now with my natural hair with you guys, because the last time you saw me I had length for days, and now you're gonna see me and I'm seeing myself as well first on camera in a long time. I haven't seen my hair in front of the camera in a long time, so bear with me. Okay, let's just rip off the band-aid. Okay, so this is how I look. Okay, this is how I look. So I'm looking myself in the mirror here. So here's what I can tell you is that I still have ends from my relaxed hair. You guys can see that Tshidi there dying, and I don't even remember how to detangle at this point in time. I feel like I haven't had natural hair for such a long time that I should probably cut these because they're gonna give me stress. You see, like, I'm not sure if you guys will be able to see, but this line over here that separates the relaxed hair and the natural hair is called a line of demarcation. And you guys can clearly see with like this little piece of hair where my natural hair is and where the relaxed hair is. The reason why I've still left a bit of relaxed hair is because I needed length, because I needed to braid my hair. That's why, because ain't no way I was gonna cut my hair so short and then not braid it, because I was just gonna feel naked, you know what I mean? So I'm gonna try to detangle my hair, but I don't think I kind of have the patience for it right now, because I have an appointment at 10 o'clock and right now it's 9:30, so I still have to get ready, still have to blow dry my hair and catch an Uber and go there. Yeah, just know that I'm feeling vulnerable. Know that I've never had short hair before, so I'm feeling a little bit, this is new territory for me and I don't know how to act as of yet, but I think I would like to go through this journey with you guys, hence why I've decided to come back. And I'm gonna try to detangle, remove big knots, go shower, well not shower, go rinse off this conditioner shower and blow dry. Maybe I will see you guys in the blow drying process, I'm not sure, but I am kind of pressed for time. So at this point I think I must just tell my stylist that I'm gonna be like a few minutes late. So let's see, and she'll probably have to re-blow dry my hair again because I know I'm not gonna do a good job. I know myself. Okay y'all, so I just come back from getting my hair did. Look at that. And it has like little thingies at the end. So I'm looking cutie. I feel like I wanna do my edges, because even though they have braided them nicely, because me, I don't like it when my edges stick out. I don't know about you guys, but I hate it when I'm doing my hair and then my edges are still chilling. I'm still using Native Child's Eco Styler, not Eco Styler, styling gel, edge control. There we go, edge control. It will have to do for now because this is what I have and I still have a lot of it, so I have to use it whether I like it or not. So yeah, okay, that's looking so much better already. Okay, this is the final look. Are we liking it? I did like a little bit of like tribal, that's what they call them nowadays, tribal braids or some shit like that, but that's what we having. So anyway, I have to get ready now because I've got a party to attend or whatever, I don't know what to call it. But yeah, so that's that. Let me officially close off this vlog. Thank you guys so much. I know it might have been like a bit of up and down, but thank you guys for tuning in. I'm happy that you guys are happy to see me. I'm happy that I'm back on YouTube again. And yeah, so I hope I will be consistent given the fact that it's December time. So yeah, thank you guys so much. Love you lots. Bye.